Jared Goff's struggles in the postseason have reignited discussions about the long-term future of the Detroit Lions at quarterback. Despite putting up 31 points against Washington in their playoff loss, Goff's 4 turnovers loomed large, highlighting a recurring issue that dates back to his time with the Rams. While Goff remains under contract through 2028, the Lions could begin preparing for life after him, and AdHouse Sports' Mike Payton has them doing just that in his latest 2025 mock draft. He projects Detroit selecting Alabama quarterback Jalen Milroe in the 2nd or 3rd round, viewing him as a high-upside project with the necessary tools to be developed into a starter. Once seen as a potential first-rounder, Milroe's stock has dropped following a disappointing 2024 campaign and a rough showing at the Senior Bowl. Still, he boasts elite athleticism, a powerful arm, and a playmaking ability that fits the modern NFL. His 64.3% completion rate, 2,844 passing yards, 726 rushing yards, and 36 total touchdowns last season demonstrate his dual-threat capability, but concerns remain about his decision-making and consistency. Detroit's current backup situation raises further questions. Hendon Hooker, drafted in 2023, hasn't inspired enough confidence, as evidenced by the Lions' decision to sign Teddy Bridgewater and have him serve as the primary backup in the playoffs. If the organization isn't sold on Hooker as a future starter, taking a chance on Milroe could make sense. However, spending a high draft pick on a quarterback remains unlikely. With Goff locked in for multiple years and Detroit in a Super Bowl window now, addressing immediate roster needs, like the defensive front or secondary, would take priority. The Lions may look for a developmental QB, but unless Milroe's stock slides even further, Detroit is more likely to use their early picks to strengthen their roster around Goff. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel